Welcome to Lavanya's Rainbow Channel.
Hi friends, welcome back to Ravana's Rainbow channel. Every day I read paper crafts and drawing videos. But today there's a special video for you. The special video is masala poha recipe. Come, I will show you the recipe. First, I will show you what the ingredients what we need to cook masala poha. We need some sugar and curry leaves, karvepaku, and red chili powder, and carrots and onions, and salt, and turmeric powder, and garam masala, cumin seeds and mustard seeds, and we need tomatoes and fried peanuts and poha. The poha should be soft like this. I already poured water and drained it. Now I am going to show you how to do the recipe. First we need to mix the sugar. And then add some salt. Then mix it. Then we need to pour the oil. Let it heat. Let it heat for some time. After heating the oil, we should pour the mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. Then we should stir it. Then we should stir it then let it fry. I am mixing it for some time. Then we have to pour the curry. Now we should pour the onion. Let it fry. After that we have to add some turmeric powder. Then mix it. Then add carrots also. After adding the turmeric powder, only you should add the carrots. You should not take time to add the carrots. Okay. Then add some salt. Then add some tomatoes. We need to boil the vegetables for 5 minutes by keeping a cap. After the vegetables are boiled, we should add some fried peanuts. I already fried the peanuts. You should not fry it so much so it will be roasted. Now we should mix it. Now add some red chili powder. Now add some garam masala. This is the main ingredient for this recipe. Now it is mixed, so that I am going to add some poha. Now add the poha. Now we should mix the poha and the mixture. Now add some coriander leaves for more taste. Now you can serve it to a plate.